Guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can download the Roblox game on your Amazon tablet. So, in the first step we have to open the web browser. Then type Roblox APK. Now choose one of these sites. I'm always using the APK Pure. Remember, we are downloading from unofficial source, so you have to do it by your own risk. So now we have to download APK file. You can download it by the web browser. I have APK Pure app, so I can just use that to download this file. Okay, then the learning process is done, so we can tap on the install and open. And that's it. This is how it works. Thanks for the watching. Leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.